What's up, everyone? I don't think it's visible here. Let me try and adjust the lights. Yeah, all right. I just came here so you can see so you guys can see me much more properly. And yeah, as you guys can hear, it's currently raining here in the garage. Um, After the car park drift event where I've scored first place, I've received a sponsorship from a guy. He's my friend. He asked me to bring my car to the garage, and whatever I want to fix or change or replace, I just directly tell them to do so. But from my side, I didn't want to do this. I just requested for a two-post lift so I can jack up my car, and I could change the. All right, the rain's getting heavier. Anyways, so what I was saying is that I'm here to change the clutch disc on my vehicle, my FRS. All right. So as you guys can see, the car is already here ready. I got my coffee here. I just had my lunch. So yeah, here we've got most of our stuff: the disc, the grease, synthetic grease. I've also brought an extra transmission mount. Maybe mine is already damaged or something. I've got my tools and everything is here. And yeah, I parked my car. Just waiting for a friend of mine to arrive. So once he arrives, we will just get straight to working. We will change the clutch on the car. So yeah, it's not visible here because of the lighting, but if I come here, it's better. Yeah. Anyways, so this is what's for today's plan. As I think you guys would wonder, I don't know, maybe I'll post the video on the same night. Hopefully I'll be posting it on the same night. Today is the second day of Eid al-Fitr. The second day of Eid al-Fitr, and this is my best chance to do that, to do so, to change the clutch, whatever I have to do on the car, because I'm all free. I've done all the things for Eid in the first day as well, already for the first day. So yeah, I guess this is the best solution. Now I'll just head inside, just take off remove the shifter, disassemble whatever is there from inside the car, so just I can head directly to from outside the car, from the engine bay, and then from underneath the car. That's it. Then we will just remove the transmission. Hopefully I do it without removing the what's it called, the propeller shaft. Hopefully I don't remove the propeller shaft, because the propeller shaft would cause us a headache where we need to refill the transmission with oil, and currently everything is closed for the spare parts. So I guess it's best is to change the disc only, and after that just we can change the oil anytime we jack the car. It's not gonna take a bunch of time. So yeah, we'll get started on the car from inside. And yeah, I'm just hoping my friend would arrive anytime soon so he can help me up, and at least we can record something here. He can hold the DJI. I forgot the tripod at home where I can easily just keep the transmission the tripod on one location and film everything. So yeah, so I'll just get started now until he arrives, then we'll continue from there. All right, guys. So I have taken the the center console from here, and then I'll just remove this heat shield, and there's 4 bolts holding it, then another 4 bolts on the shifter, and 1 pin like a cotter pin. Just remove that things, remove the shifter from there, and then that's it. We can go from outside the car, from the engine bay, and from underneath. So I guess this one is already completed. I guess yeah, we can go for the next one then. So yeah, Just wait. I'm still waiting for for my friend to arrive. So yeah, once he arrives, then we'll continue on this thing with recordings and everything. Just bear with me with this one. So we've already removed the bolts from the starter and whatever the bolts that's holding the transmission on top, and rain is now, it's actually heavily raining right now. Yeah, anyways, now we're going to remove the exhaust and we'll continue further because we don't have a bunch left, so it's just few more things, few more tweaks, then we'll remove the transmission from its location, and then yeah, as I've said, we'll continue and complete this work for... I want to go out, yeah.
Imagine sliding right now.
So yeah, I've got bolts here. I've got a bolt here. Anyway. Yeah, we're going to continue the work for now. Alright guys, now that we have removed transmission, I don't know why this is Abdul Malik is here. Yeah, so I don't know why it's kind of dark here, but I'll try to do something at least. It's not visible, I don't think it's visible. Anyways, we've removed the transmission. All right, so yeah, okay, so I've taken the fork from its location, and it's already the release bearing. It's already due to the friction, it was already, you know, it's like sanded. I've got the new release bearing here that I'll be installing it as well with new clips. Because you know these clips are a one-time use. Once you install them, there's no going back. If you're going to replace anything from it, you need to change the clips. So yeah, I'll be changing the release bearing now and put some grease on it, and then just keep it set with the transmission. After that, you know, we'll just change the disc. See, already in the box. Change the disc and reinstall everything. Unfortunately, we've ran into a small issue, where we've got just a little bit of oil that came out from the transmission, but it's gonna be fine. As I remember before, we've already overfilled the transmission with oil. So I guess it's gonna take the car back to home, then until the shops open up we can, you know, install it again, change the oil. And now I've just noticed that we've got a broken weld. Yeah, it's a broken weld here. It's causing the car to sound a little bit more higher than before, you know, more loud. But yeah, I guess we'll get on working. Alright guys, so see what we've noticed here inside. Right, bring the mic closer. And the clutch, yeah. Listen to this. So yeah, but still, it was running perfectly good, I guess. Anyways, so we have some, you know, some rubbings here, but it's not a big issue at the moment. It's currently alright. I think for now we'll just install the disc, then we can buy the whole cover assembly later, and then we can just reinstall it again, and that's it. We will see what happens actually if we install this one, if it's all good or not. We will check and hopefully it goes well. But yeah, we've noticed this one. We'll just remove clutch, disc, and we'll see what happens. So, wait. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just get on doing this thing and hopefully it goes well, yeah. Yeah, you have to move with with that stick, you know.
I'm getting used to it, you know.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just do the thing, finish it off, and yeah. All right, so that we've already installed the new disc in place, and it came with new bolts. We talked it into spec. The specs were 39.2 Newton meters. Already done with the torque wrench. All is good. Now we're going to install the transmission in place, but we could not do the recordings because, you know, actually currently we need an extra hand for that one. But yeah, we will do this. After that, we're all good, I guess. So yeah, let's get working and hopefully everything goes well. All right, we've okay, it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
You
It is working. Yeah, yeah.
Are you sure?
It's working.
Really?
Yeah. I know this is gonna be bloopers.
Anyways, now we've already installed the transmission. Now I'm taking down the shifter bushing from parent. No, sorry, from energy stock. So energy suspension, and after that, we'll tighten everything that's underneath the car before installing the exhaust. Then we'll lower down the car and install whatever is on top. Then we'll go again down, and we'll make sure of everything. After that, install the exhaust, and then lower it down again. So I guess yeah, we don't have much more. We don't have much more to complete, you know. We're almost set though. So I guess yeah, it's a good progress. We've started around 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2:30 like that, and now it's almost 5 o'clock. We've been like working, sitting, chatting, working again. So yeah.
He owes me a chilled Mountain Dew. What are you gonna say about that?
لا لا عادي عادي.
ماشي يا ضوان. wait.
تعال هنا، ما يحتاج فلاش، هنا تعال. عادي ما يحتاج فلاش، ما يحتاج. مرتين هذه خفيفة يكفي، لأن هذا ترى في الشاشة ما يبين واجد. المهم.
عيد الفيديو من أول؟
لا خليه. Anyways, so we've been looking for that shifter pin. Unfortunately, it was in the cup holder where it was already stuck between the cup holder. You know, there's just a small gap where it goes inside. I had to remove the door panel just to take it from there and install it in the shifter. So the car is already done. It's completed. The work is complete, and everything is set. I don't think we need to adjust the alignment for the clutch because it feels natural and on its location, same as it used to be. So, sorry, I've heard the ringtone. Yeah, it's calling for prayer. Anyway, so we've done our work, and now we'll just take our stuff from here, load it in the car, and we'll leave this garage. And I'd like to thank the sponsor for providing me this this chance to change my clutch, install the new one. And I'd like to thank the owner of the garage. His name is Yahya Al-Hassani. This is his garage, and they do a very good work on American cars, the US cars. So far, they're working on the Chargers and the GMCs at the moment. So I guess whoever wants to work on their cars, especially like GMC or Dodge, they can bring it here. They're most welcome. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next episode.